Hi guys, welcome back to our channels. Today in this video we are going to talk about how you can enter your referral code or promo code on the Temu app. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So the first thing you need to do is scroll into your home page and click open the Temu app. Once your Temu app gets opened, you will be redirected to its home page. Now all you need to do is click on the U option on the below of the screen. Once you go there, you can find the coupons and offers option where you need to click on. Once you click on that option, you can get the three tabs: unused, used and expired. These are the three tabs that shows you your coupons. So you can select any of the options and simply enter the coupon code. So once you enter your coupon code, all you need to do is click on the apply option. After you do so, you are all set with your entered referral code on Temu. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.